Listen. Yeah. You hear that shit? Uh. Yeah. My life, cuz.
It's Joker on the beat, baby.
Yeah. That's how she sound when she take that dick. Yeah. Yo, I can tell your girl want it cause she want this dick. She been dreaming all about me cause she wanna suck it. Said she want me to put it in her pussy like an oven. She started heating up, yeah, that pussy really running. Cause she fucking with a Southside nigga, true. I swear to God, this my religion, I'm the Blue Cross God. And I'll tell you what you really wanna hear, bitch. Let me stick this big long dick in your ear, bitch. Conversations all fucked up, I don't talk across the phone. I swear to God, them motherfucking laws, they be roaming. And I don't need them in my fucking complex of deals. Fucking with these hoes to get a nigga straight killed. So I regulate and stay by my fucking self. Don't need nobody, my fucking self. I'ma smoke this weed and I'ma fuck this bitch into a fucking pussy bleed. She got the money needs, nigga. I swear that's how she sound, nigga. Yeah. Still finishing my 6th bottle, nigga. Listen. She wanna get on top cause she love that sex. I swear to God she bring her friends, yeah, they next. It ain't complex, bitch, I'm from that Tex. I can run this train, I can take your checks, I can give it back, that's that nightlife. When you fucking with them tricks, that's that nice ice. He gon' buy you Rolexes, put them on your bracelets. You never heard that shit, bitch, I can't be traced it. I swear to God, your carpet stain no ever since. Your pussy dripping, yeah, it's like them peppermints. It can feel my breath, cause I can feel your weight. Cause when I eat that pussy fly away like them balloons do when you celebrate. It's gon' elevate, it's gon' vibrate, bitch, it's just that dick today. I'm shaking, bitch, you breaking shit. Down and take this dick, cause you love them sounds, What your bitch sound like, nigga? Sound like she want that pussy in that dick. What? That's how that bitch sound, nigga. Sound, nigga. Yeah, when I be sticking that 11.5 in that pussy. She like that nasty shit.